configure the Eclipse ID quickly. Why it is okay? Configure the Eclipse ID fonts, console font, first editor font, console font quickly, window, preferences, general, appearance, just a minute, appearance, where is that one option? Appearance, expand this one, colors and fonts, debug for, oh, just a minute, window, preferences, debug, expand this one, console font, edit, suppose 20, next, Java editor, where is that one? Java editor, suppose 20, okay, apply the code. Next, create Maven project, Sandhya, quickly, all of you put mute except Sandhya. Create Maven project. Create Maven project.
Okay.
File menu, new.
Okay, sir. New project.
Project.
And then
suppose
type Maven.
Maven already there.
And click on Maven project.
Select Maven project.
And then click next.
Next.
And then next again.
Next. Here group ID. Group ID. Suppose
e-commerce.
This is project group ID. Next, artifact ID, project
online
ID, like
shop.
suppose online shop, shopping, etc.
Finish.
Okay, finish. Observe right, left, top left. Expand this one. Select POM XML.
Dependencies. You can delete the unwanted ones.
Just a minute. Why it is? Outline not required. Okay. Suppose I don't want, here default package also there. Where is default package? Under src test Java, e-commerce dot online underscore shopping, artifact ID, group ID dot artifact ID, it created default package. Okay.
And we were going to delete that, right, sir? We are going to delete the dependencies.
Deletion is not mandatory. You can keep, no problem. Suppose JUnit, TestNG, different softwares, no confliction. But for importing, it will show test annotation from JUnit, test annotation from TestNG.
Yeah.
That's why confusion.
Yes, sir.
So you try to delete this one. Otherwise, no issue. It's not mandatory to delete. Not mandatory to delete. After deleting, you can get error here. Why this default package created using that JUnit default? I'm removing this one. Where is that option? Delete. Okay. Next, under src test Java, select src test Java, new. Suppose package. My module is user module, you can write, no problem. Next, first update the POM XML between dependency tags. Use the Selenium dependency code as well as TestNG dependency code. Suppose Maven repository.
Selenium server.
Selenium server, or you can use Selenium with Java also. You can try
Yes,
this client version. We are using single computer now.
sir.
You can use this one also. You can try Selenium Java. Oh, here client version Himo 4.1.2 available. Client version
Sir, yeah.
latest 4.1.1 available.
Yes. Yeah.
You try this one 4.1.1.
Okay.
Next client version. Take that dependency. Anyhow, we are using Selenium from single mission.
Okay, sir.
This is Selenium client version dependency code. Next TestNG.
Go to Maven repository. Yes, in the same place, type TestNG.
TestNG. TestNG. Suppose I am taking 7.4.0. Place that code. Optional. You can leave it. Save. Observe right side bottom. It is downloading and configuring. Building workspace. Next, we have to create the test batch. Observe now, Maven is configuring our Selenium test environment by providing that software dependency codes. Maven is open source. Linux is Eclipse IDE open source. TestNG open source. JUnit open source. Java, is it open source or something Himo?
Open source, right, sir?
Yeah. Java is freeware.
Okay, sir.
So in several documentation in the net, you can find Java is open source. Is source code available?
But yeah.
You can't update the Java source code now.
Correct, sir. Yes. Yeah.
But Selenium source code available. If you want, if you want to update that one, if you have programming knowledge, you can update it. What about Java source code? Java vendor, current vendor, Oracle Corporation na? Java source code not available na?
Correct, sir. Yeah.
Freeware.
Freeware.
It is freeware. But then what is the advantage of, what is the use of Java for vendor Oracle? They are providing as freeware. Then what is the advantage? Suppose if Eclipse IDE, some sites collecting donations, Oracle is not collecting any donation. Then what is the use of Java software by providing freeware? It is taking too much time. In Java, basically Java is freeware. You can use Java for commercial use also. Our Selenium testing is commercial use only.
Oh, right.
In real time, freeware. But for some large scale organizations, Oracle Corporation is charging some amount for technical support.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Okay.
For support, they are charging. But Selenium point of view, no support.
No support.
Only
Yeah.
forum is there. Over na?
Right.
Over. Selenium forum is there. They may solve your problems, but no guarantee.
Guarantee. Yes.
Launching. Okay. Expand this project. SRC test Java user, suppose new class sanity tests. Why it is not showing this one? Finish option. Oh, space not required. Space is not valid.
For class. Yeah.
Not only class, any identifier name, whether it is
Okay.
variable or method or no embedded space, no white space available. Valid. Only underscore valid, isn't it?
Yes.
I think for testing this one, this is not the proper way. Here before method is there, after method is there. If you want to conduct a dry run, it is
Right.
not valid. It is not valid.
Yeah.
Why?
So can we add one?
Where is the test?
Right. Sir.
You are using before method, after method. Where is the test? So test
Yes.
required now. Suppose
Yeah.
for dry run, I am making this one as test. Test observe. It is only for dry run. Taking as test. If you use only before method and after method, that test required now. Test method required now. Test method, every test method is one test case. Okay.
Yes.
Import WebDriver. Import WebDriver. Import Chrome driver. Conduct import test annotation. Import test. Import test. Wait is showing add JUnit library. Import test.
First one, sir. Yeah.
Run the test batch partial. Observe executing now.
Sir.
Executing fine now.
Yes.
Earlier one mistake also there. Don't run only before method and after method annotations. Okay. At least one test is required.